salted caramel cream cold brew, less coffee and extra foam, 3 extra pumps of the caramel sweetener. That is gonna be it.
I think it's gonna be $4.95.
Thank you. See that? You see that? Welcome to today's video. If you guys are new, subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy, give this video a thumbs up. Today is most likely an official collection day. And yes, for those who have guessed it, for those who probably got the hint because I've become such a big Porsche fanatic, today I am most likely purchasing a Porsche. And the reason I say most likely is because we are here at the dealership not to buy a car from the dealer. I'm actually buying a private party vehicle that is new used. It's pretty much new. It has around 2,500 miles. Today we're here to get a DME report, which is pretty much a scan to let you know if there was any over revs or anything beat up on the engine, which I'm assuming there's not going to be. The owner feels confident, I feel confident, so hopefully, fingers crossed, everything goes well, and if it does, today we'll be collecting my brand new Porsche. And I'm very excited. Just got to the dealer. I'm gonna walk around, show you guys some of the cars that are here, and then if you're new, or if you're not new, it doesn't really matter. Welcome to Driven by Jordan. So I have yet to see the car in person. Cars in color always look way, way, way different in person. And keep in mind, this car is carmine red, which is one of my favorite colors in the entire world. And every time I see carmine in person, it's even better than it is in photos. So I'm kind of just waiting so I can get my first reaction of the car rolling up and just to see what it looks like in this light. It might be a little dirty. He did clean it yesterday and it was pretty damn clean, but he did just drive 2 hours to get here. So I don't know, I guess we'll find out. But either way, it doesn't matter. I'm taking the car 7 hours home, so it's gonna get dirty no matter what. So here's my raw reaction. I think she's more excited than I am. We just saw him pull off the freeway, so he'll be coming over that bridge. You'll see him. Watch, you ready? There he is! Look at how high she is!
It's got a tail!
It's got a tail!
I saw a tail! Spoiler! I saw the spoiler!
Look at that beautiful thing. How you doing? You too? Oh my goodness. Here, pull up. You got a car behind you. We'll go see you.
Yeah, he does. He does.
Okay, spoiler alert. The first modification.
Wait. Get it? Spoiler?
Oh my god, that's actually really funny. Spoiler alert. The first modification that I was telling you guys that I had ordered for this car was the Salter Aero wing risers. But I was so stupid I didn't even notice they're on the car.
Do you hear that car?
So if anyone wants some, oh, I hear it. I've got some for sale. Damn it. Oh my god, it looks so good. That means I get it with the oh, please be a clean DME report. Ladies and gentlemen, the DME report has came back. We just spent about an hour here talking with very nice gentlemen here, and the DME report came back good, which means the car is mine. I am so excited. He's gonna pull it up right here. I'm gonna take a photo. I'm gonna go on a drive with him to get my first reactions to the car, which will actually be cool. We're gonna go to the bank, make sure funds go through, and then I will be taking the car home. And I'm very excited. This isn't obviously like a delivery at the dealership, but I kind of like these private party deals because I get to talk with the owner and meet the owner. And I haven't even driven the car yet, so we're gonna get a quick photo with it, go for a drive, and hopefully it's mine. Here we go. The worst seats to get into, but the best seats to sit in. This is Bruce, guys. Hello, guys. Bruce is the very kind man who has let me take his baby from him.
You're gonna love this car. It's so awesome and it's so nice.
All these seats. So guys, I haven't driven a GT4 in a very long time, and I haven't driven a Boxer Spider in a very long time. So this is honestly gonna just be still an authentic reaction. Let's just pretend this is the first time in it.
Well, see if we can keep up with your girlfriend's Tesla, her Model Y. It's just freshly off the chart. supercharger, by the way, so it's gonna probably smoke our doors.
Yeah. But we're gonna have more fun than she is.
Yes,
because
we'll
you have
engaged.
3 pedals.
We'll be engaged.
This will be my first ever Porsche and my first ever GT product in the same time. Unless my bank just says, hey man, you got robbed yesterday and you don't have any money left in your account, then Bruce is gonna drive this thing home.
And then you just sort of crawl like a caterpillar.
Oh, carbon ceramics too. The light will get better. But this is my first official drive. We are leaving the bank. Oh, the gearbox. The Porsche! I've always dreamed of owning a Porsche.
Well, congratulations, my friend. The GT4 is for a young enthusiast.
The build quality is like nothing else.
Oh, totally.
Alright. These kind of days are always tedious because it's usually waiting on money to transfer. Now, this is kind of the update on what's going on. I've gotten a little bit of time in the car. I really have not gotten a rip in it. It's always with the owner. So we're still gonna get some reaction time. 2, we're not taking the coast home because fires have shut down so many roads along the coast. It's not gonna work. Jay needs to be home. So we're gonna do the boring drive. But here's the update. We stopped at the Target. We wiped the entire car down so it looks good for some shots we're gonna get. We're still sitting here waiting for money to finish transferring. It's been pending for like 2 hours. Another guy at the bank had told me it takes 30 minutes. We know it'll at least take in the next 24 hours, but we don't have 24 hours. So we're really hoping it transfers soon. The owner's on the phone with his bank to see if on his end it says it went through, because on my end it still says pending. When I get home tomorrow morning, I'm obviously gonna take this car to Malibu so I can get a proper canyon drive, which means we're gonna do a proper first drive video with this. I'm gonna have a first drive in today's video, but we're gonna do a whole separate real first drive around a canyon. I've never driven a GT4 around a canyon, so I've never really taken this chassis in GT form around a canyon, so I'm really excited about it. I'm gonna get a quick little cinematic of a parking lot because the car's clean and it looks really good, so I hope you guys enjoy, and then we'll begin our journey hopefully when the funds transfer. It's her first fill up. She's already halfway. Oh wow, this thing takes a damn lot of gas. It's done. All right, folks, this is my first official drive in the car, but it's a manual and I'm driving with one hand. I'm gonna mess around with the car a little bit, get used to it, and then I'm gonna give you guys updates along the trip of how I think about it. I'm not gonna get any official like first drive sound clips or anything, but let me just enjoy myself for a little bit. I am driving on a kind of slower road, so if I drive nicely, I think I could keep you guys safe. And I'm gonna close my windows just for a little bit. Jordan is behind me. Oh no! I wanna give you guys a little bit of my opinion on the car so far. It is, not just because of GT4, just being Porsche, and especially a product of the GT department, it is just, it makes all my other cars feel like they were made in China. No offense, China, but you guys get my point. The build quality is already just my favorite thing about the car so far, is the build quality. Absurd. Like, it is just unparalleled to anything else. Look at the view. Look at the view ahead of us, ladies and gentlemen. It is beautiful. We got my beautiful steering wheel right here. We've got my lady right over there. You can see her a little bit. This is beautiful. I'm in love. I am in, let me think about it, love. Stuck in traffic on the freeway. Well, it's gonna be a little bumpy, but we're just gonna pretend that it's not. So, I have spent about an hour in this car so far. I'm enjoying myself. The interior of this car, being in here, being on the freeway, is interesting enough. Going back and forth, accelerating, slowing down, feeling the brakes. I'm not really driving like a jerk right now. My battery's also dying, which is weird because I charged it this morning. That doesn't make any sense. First impressions, really driving this car, my back hurts. These seats are so comfortable and I fit really well in all seats, but I have kind of a bad lower back because I used to ride scooters professionally, for those who didn't know, and my lower back's not the best. So my back kind of hurts, but it is still comfortable, and if I was around a canyon, I would be so buckled in and hugged that I'd feel like I'm getting love from this car. 2, the sound. Stock sounds amazing, and I'm gonna make a whole video of why I chose the 981 over the 718 GT4. I have a lot of reasons for that. I'm sure a lot of people are wondering that, especially since that is kind of a very hyped car right now, and it's newer, and it's more along the same price bracket as my NSX was that I just sold. But this sounds so much better stock. The 718, if I was going through a tunnel, probably wouldn't even echo in the tunnel much, to be honest with you. This, I mean, without a tunnel sounds great, and I do plan on doing an exhaust to this car, and it is going to sound so good. I don't know. I'm super excited to mod this car. I'm so excited to take this car on a canyon run tomorrow morning. We'll do an official first drive tomorrow when I have Jay in the car. We'll do that. So that video will probably be the next video that's dropping. So subscribe if you guys are new. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I've just been doing my rounds. The automatic rev matching, the auto blip in this car, I don't care if anyone says, oh, I want to do it myself. You know what? I don't want to do it myself. Actually, as a matter of fact, I don't. To be honest, I don't like heel towing. I'm not very good at it. I want to get good at it, but I don't need to get good at it now, to be honest. The car does it for me, and it doesn't, you gotta understand, it doesn't take away from the car. All it does is it makes the car a little closer to an automatic, but all the positive attributes of a manual. So it's like, I don't think it's gonna get old. It's so convenient, and I think around a track, I would definitely not want to do it myself because it would just help me so much, and whatever. Is it not cool to say? Sure. Do I care? No. It makes this car a little easy to like drive on a daily basis, and sure, if this is my weekend car and I only drove it on Saturday, Sunday, or Friday, whatever, I would probably heel tow it around, but it's not. I drive it every day. I'm gonna be driving this car all the time, making content for you guys, taking it on trips, rallies, so I'm fine with my auto blip. I love it. I think it's amazing. The suspension isn't as horribly stiff as I thought, obviously, unless I hit the suspension button, where it's great, it buckles down, and it would be really, really good for the track. Probably not even canyon driving. I'd definitely just leave it in this for canyon driving. I've always known this, and I said this before I bought one, and I've driven Porsches, but there's something about Porsche that other companies don't have, and there's the reason why they are the company they are, and why they have the reputation they have. It's just the package you get in these cars is just perfect, and this car is by no means slow, though numbers will make it sound like it is. It is not a slow car at all. For example, this car has similar power and numbers to my M2. This car, between gears, deleting shifting from the picture, is definitely quicker than my M2, if that makes sense. I finally got my camera charged. Hopefully it's not too windy. The car's out here, kind of ending out the road trip just because it got late. We're losing time. We need to get home, and my camera battery died, so I had to spend time charging that, so we're all good. But tomorrow morning, I'm gonna do a first drive for you guys. I just wanted to make this video collecting the car. I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you guys. Subscribe, like the video, and oh my god, I am going to enjoy myself on the way home, and I cannot wait. Plenty of videos to come on the GT4.
Hey, this is my first time in here.
You've never sat in it?
Wait, there's 3.
The one all the way to the right, Jesus. Come on, get it up there. You always look so guilty.
I like it.
Jordan is about to have her first drive over the Golden Gate Bridge. She hasn't really been driving all day like in the city today, but she's driving home by herself tomorrow,
I need to practice.
obviously, so she needs to be getting on her stuff. And here we are approaching the Golden Gate. Where are you? Bridge? Hello? Bridge? The Golden Gate Bridge. Look at that. Autopilot over the Golden Gate.